Okay guys, we're going to be doing the narrow grip lat pull down. You're going to want to find an attachment that looks like this. It's going to be our narrow grip attachment. You're going to want to attach it to a machine that looks like this, and then we'll get started. So make sure you do a weight you can do properly and with good form. Okay, first thing you do, pull down. First thing you want to do is drive your legs up. Okay, as you can't really see, but I'm driving my legs up. What that's going to do is going to keep my body steady. So there's more, there's not as much movement, and you're going to work more on the lats, which is what we're trying to hit. Okay, first thing here, you're going to want to stand straight up. You're going to drive your elbows down. And at the bottom, try to drive them behind your back. Okay, up, 1, 2, 3. Get a full stretch. And again, drive those elbows behind you, guys. 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. What you don't want to do is you don't want to rock. You don't want to do this. You don't want to do that. Okay, we're focusing on the lats. So first thing to do is drive up on the legs, drive with your elbows down and behind your back. 1, 2, 3. That's a narrow grip lat pull down.